Hello everyone, this is Neha, your GIS coach. In the previous video, we have discussed how to download elevation information from OpenDem website, the portal for sharing the third dimension. So in this video, we are going to discuss the visualization of elevation model in 3-dimensional using QGIS. So if you are a new viewer, please subscribe to TargetOne channel as we would be posting videos every week. So let's get started. So now open QGIS Grass. So this is our QGIS interface. So by opening this QGIS Grass, which helps in using this Saga and Grass tools for this process. So now add the layer. So I'll use vector layer and browse the button. So click on the shapefile and open, and then click on add and close. So now you can see this data. So now click on this layer to check the properties whether it is in GCS or PCS. So it is in GCS, that is Geographic Coordinate System. So now convert this into projected coordinate system for further process. So for that, click on the layer and then export, then save feature as. So now here format is GeoPackage and give the file name. So that is pro underscore contours. So click save and then assign the coordinate. So I am using Maharashtra state data. So this Maharashtra state lies in 43 north zone. So click on this and click on OK. And then click on OK. So now you can see the message that it has been successfully done. So now just click on this Pro Contour layer and check the properties whether it has been projected or not. Yes, it has been projected. So this process has been completed. So the next step is interpolation. So here the process is conversion of vector layer into raster layer. So for 3D visualization we require a raster layer, but now we have what? Vector layer. So for that conversion we are using a thin interpolation. So that you will get in processing and in toolbox. So you can see in the toolbox we have certain tool here. So the next process is what? Interpolation. So you can click on this interpolation, expand this, and you can find this thin interpolation here. So double click on this thin interpolation. So you can see here input layer. So input layer, that is Pro Contours, and interpolation attribute is your elevation data, and click on this add so that you can select the type. So you can select structure lines, and then you have interpolation method linear, that is fine, and extent. So for that you have furthermore option, that is use canvas extent. Select extent on canvas, use layer extent. So you can use this use layer extent and click on Pro Contours and click on OK. And then we have output raster size. So you can give here 100 meter resolution and then click on run. Close, and you can see this interpolation now. So here it is a very large data. So for today's session I am just using some smaller area for quick process. So what I'll do is I'll just extract a small part of the area from this DEM data. So for that I'll use this raster tool and extraction and clip raster by extent. So here you have the input layer already the interpolated, and in the clipping you use select extent so that you can select some particular area here. So then click on run and then close. So you can observe here the clip data. Okay, then now use this clip layer and save this with different name, as you can give area of interest, area of, or else in short you can do area of interest, AOI, and then save this. And already it is in a zone 43 north, so no need to change, and then click on OK. So now just remove all this and have this new interface now, and then again add the raster which you have saved recently, and add and then close. So you can say this. So now, while in the conversion of vector to raster layer, they have some error, that it may be a sinks or it may be a fills. So to fix that error, we use this Saga tool. So you can obtain this in your processing toolbox. You can see here. So expand this. So after that you can click on simulation. In the simulation you can find this fill and sinks. So double click on this, and you can already see it has been added AOI. Then you can directly click on this run. Yes, so process has been completed now. Okay, then you can see here dem without sinks. So we use this dem without sinks for our further visualization. So click on this dem without sink and then go to view, and you can see here new 3D map view. So now the new window has been open. So just enlarge this, and for better understanding, you click on this dem without sinks and change the symbology to single band pseudo color and apply and OK. You can see this. Okay, just enlarge this, and then just make changes in the 3D configuration also. That is, field of view is 45 degrees, OK. And in type you can use dem raster layer, and in elevation you can use dem without sinks, and in vertical scale you can give some around 15 or 20, then click on OK. So now you can see here, so these are the views which help in viewing the 3D map. So this you can see tilt down, tilt up, zoom in, zoom out, and this is move down, move up, right and left. So I'm just using the tilt down so that it will tilt the image like this. So now you can see the 3D view here, right? So it's very wonderful now. So this is what the main process of this today's video. So this is how we can obtain the visualization of elevation model in 3 dimension. So this brings to the end of this session. We have got new videos every week, so make sure you subscribe. You can follow me on social media.